Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Here's a popular question: how can I do affiliate marketing with no website? A good question, because many people just don't have the funds to do affiliate marketing properly with a dedicated domain, website hosting, sales funnel, list building software, etc. But if money is tight and you're short of options, what can you do? I will show you one way you can do this. Now, you just need to understand that if you want to make serious money with affiliate marketing, then you have to take your affiliate marketing business serious, and that means investing in it. But starting affiliate marketing with no money, no website, no investment, it is going to hinder your progress. Can you make some money? Absolutely, but compared to the money that you could make with investment, there is absolutely no comparison. Anyway, let's dive into the computer and have a look at a very simple way of doing this with a solid Clickbank product and leveraging the traffic from social media. Okay guys, here we are in Clickbank. We've used this product before, this Astro Tarot. A good product because it gives us a free lead magnet. Let me just have a look at that before we go anywhere. So it's a free tarot reading, and this is it. So you're going to send people with your affiliate link to this homepage. Well, I'll not click 2 cards today. But that is basically where you're going to send people to, is this free tarot reading. Gravity score is not too bad, and the average conversion is nearly $70, so worth promoting this. But we're interested in the affiliate page, so let's click on that first, and then click on banners, because I just want to leverage what they've already given us with banners to just make a video for TikTok. So we're going to use these banners, there's 15 of them this time, but we can stretch them out to use in a TikTok video. But before we go any further, let's just go to look at the hashtags on TikTok. This is TikTokhashtags.com, and this is for tarot reading. It basically tells you the top trending hashtags for tarot reading, tarot cards, tarot reader, tarot community, which you might not have thought of, and tarot online, and another 6 here. So obviously they give you 6, and that's a good guide of how many you should use when you're doing a TikTok video. Plus, if you don't put your hashtags if you forget to put your hashtags with your video, you can always put them in the first comment below. It says put hashtags into the post, or as the first comment below your post, you can put your hashtags in there as well. And here's some other options for some hashtags regarding tarot. And just moving on, if you go to the TikTok Creative Center, this is really good. You can browse what's trending now in different countries. So obviously I'm in the UK, but you can type in whatever you want, and it gives you what's actually trending. So I'm on the hashtag button here. They have songs, creators, TikTok videos, so you can have a look at maybe tarot videos if you want to get a good idea of what's working and what's not. But I'm just interested in hashtags at the minute, and it gives you some good clues for the actual hashtag of tarot. 38,000 posts, 122 million views. But there are some golden nuggets in here somewhere. Maybe that tarot trending, only 50 posts, but 500,000 views. So this is some golden nuggets in here on this creative center that TikTok provides. So you know exactly which hashtags to use, and hopefully what you use will help you go viral. And you can just click on any of these to see analytics if you want to have a deeper look. So you can see it's a very trending, very steady topic is tarot, and just shows you some example videos, and obviously the age of people are interested in, and then the top regions, which is Chile, Peru, so basically all South America, really very interested in tarot. And there's just some examples of basic videos that you can do. So what we can do, we can go into Canva here, and I've just saved 4 of those banners, and I've just downloaded 4 of these just from Pixabay, royalty free images, all connected to tarot. So let's just start on the bottom one. Now you can just use these if you wanted to. Let's just drag one in. So we can see on here, these are basically clickable banners where it says claim now. So we just need to change that. Let's go into elements, and that's going to want purple button, and then can see all, and then just basically drag that in, this button. So it's a very similar colour, it just matches, doesn't it? Maybe something like that. It just hides what's behind. Make it a little bit bigger. So there you go. So we just need our call to action in here now. So let's click on text and we can write something like click here. Oh no, click link in bio. That's what we want. Click link in bio. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's highlight this text and change it to white. And just drag it down. Whoops. Click link in bio. There you go. And that should do us just for that one. I just need to duplicate this now. And then we've got 4 images, so I'll just duplicate that. Now let's go back to our projects and go to the second one and drag this one in. Something like that. Position it at the back. Just need to move this button a little bit up. Click away. There you go. Let's go on to the third one. See, because as you can see, you can do these really quickly. It just saves you designing anything. Just leveraging the free stuff that they give you. That one works fine. And on to the last one. Put that one in there. Position at the back. It needs to be come down a bit, this one. There you go. Right, so I just need to put a transition in here. Not that one. Maybe that one will do for that one. You can change them if you want. About this one, that will do for that one. And then the last one, I can just get this. Oops. Maybe the chop. Just give it the chop. I'm just going to drag this now. Drag each one to 2.5 seconds. I don't want this too long. I just need it very, very quick. So just 10 seconds, and that would be that. Right. Let's just drag this back now. Have a quick look at that video. And that's it. Don't forget you can add trending sounds to that. So we can change this up now. Let's remove that. And remove that. Let's delete these actually. So there's your first ones. And when you got trending sound with it, there you go. So let's go back to the ones we got from Pixabay. Let's drag these in. This tarot lady here, and I just need a banner. No, I don't need a banner. I need a what do I need? I need a rectangle. Yeah, a rectangle shape. There we go. Something like that. I'll push it outside the boundary. Push it up a bit. And I'll give it a bit of a border, maybe 10. Let's have a look at that. That's fine. Duplicate that. drag that down to the bottom and add some text. So free, what can I put? Free tarot reading. Let's make that, I can actually leave that black, make it a bit smaller. Something like that. Free tarot reading, and then just copy that, place it at the bottom. Click link in bio. There you go. We can duplicate this now. Back to our project, click on the second one, change the image, hopefully the position that backwards. There you go. And the next one, just shows you how quickly you can make these little videos. Something like that, position backwards. And the last one will be this one. So free images, how to make money with no website. There you go. Do we need a transition? We can chop it. What should we do with that one? Let's chop all of them as the transition. And just drag that out, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Let's drag it back, see how it looks. So the text is always in the same place. It's important. There you go. So there you go. Very, very simple. Obviously, when you're inside your social media, the TikTok, you can put your link in the bio. I would put your affiliate link, put it through a link shortening service, just put link short in Google. And I would recommend probably tinyURL or Bitly, either of those two. I have a very small link in your bio, and that will take people straight to this, the homepage, where they will get their free tarot reading. And once they've done their tarot reading, then obviously they're inside basically a sales funnel where they can have more readings, which they have to pay for, more personalised readings, should we say. But that is it. That is how you can make money with affiliate marketing with no website. Now, if you have $1 to invest, can I recommend that you take the best affiliate marketing training, or join the best affiliate marketing training program I've seen in 23 years. It'll only cost you $1, and this is my recommendation, my #1 choice for affiliate marketing training program. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.